All right, this one we're going to write the equation of a line with slope of negative 2/3 and passing through the point negative 6,5. We'll write the equation in slope-intercept form, no problem. To start out though, we're just going to go with point-slope formula, which looks something like this. Of course, the m is the slope, and we already know the slope because they gave that to us at, right here as negative 2/3. And then the ordered pair as well gave us an x value there we see is negative 6. So I would go in here and replace that x that I already put in there with negative 6. Now that's minus a negative, so I'm just going to put that in as a plus. And then the corresponding y value is 5. So we'll take the y over here, and let's replace that with positive 5. So this is point-slope formula. I actually like to look at it a little differently, but it seems like everyone else is kind of preferring this method, and that's okay too. So over here, we're going to distribute our negative 2/3. So negative 2/3 times an x would be negative 2/3 of an x. And then we have a negative 2/3 times a positive 6, which should give us negative 4. So now my new equation is going to be y minus 5 equals negative 2/3 x minus 4. The last thing I need to do on this one is to zero out that negative 5. So I'm going to add 5 there, but if I do it to one side, I must do it to the other side. That does zero it out. I can drop the y, which is now by itself, just like it is in slope-intercept form. We already knew that the slope was negative 2/3 of the x, but then we just found that the corresponding y value, or y-intercept, is going to be 0, 1. And that right there ends up being our equation for a line with a slope of negative 2/3 and passing through the point negative 6,5. Now remember, negative 6,5 is an ordered pair, which means you can check the equal sign to make sure it's true with this ordered pair, because if the line is on this point, then it needs to make the equal sign true. You can replace the x with negative 6 and the y with negative 5 and confirm that the equal sign is true. And so let's see, we know it's going to be 5, so negative 2/3 times a negative 6 is going to be 4, plus 1 is 5, yep. So that does work. So we just checked it off just to make sure that it would work. It does, which means we know for sure that this is the equation with the slope of negative 2/3 and will pass through the point negative 6,5.